Welcome back to the Brooklands Motorsport Day 2024 photos part 2. And first up we have the Napier Railton. In this photo it's demoing the race start. A very meaty Capri. Sorry, I couldn't resist that. And a race start for the Alfa Giulietta race car against I'm not sure what. A Lancia Stratos. The Stratos versus the Capri. A Lambo Huracan having fun on the racetrack. Two vintage cars wowing the crowds. Not sure what the one in front is. The one at the back looks like an MGA, correct me if I'm wrong. An Austin A35 with a Triumph, I think, very meaty. It's got a great body kit. A Ford Anglia. A Sunbeam Alpine. And finally a gathering of Abarths. I'm not pronouncing it the way you're supposed to pronounce it. So thanks for watching. I hope you found it interesting and useful. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.